Hello and welcome. This is going to be a quick before and after video of this Relic by Fossil watch. It's actually in very good condition. It's running. Everything about it looks just fine. There's no issues on it whatsoever. It might be a little dirty, but I'm going to slightly clean it up. It doesn't have anything major to it. There's the back of it right there. This part is a bit dirty, so I'm going to clean this up. As you can see right there, just do a simple cleanup on that. See up close to see if there's anything else that might be. Okay, I don't see any major problems with it at all. Like I said, it doesn't need that much work. You see it's kind of dirty right there and right there, so I'm going to try to clean all that up. Oh, right there maybe on the top. As you can see, there's some dirt right there. It's an up close look, and then there's some more up here. So we're gonna try to get that out and see how it goes, and I'll show you what it's looking like as I progress.